You sit down to study, but after 5 minutes, you're on your phone again. With every scroll, every notification, you're essentially training your brain to avoid the uncomfortable sensation of engaging in hard work. So, when you decide to put forth effort in studying, your brain receives the message: this activity is dull. Let's escape to something more captivating. Here's a method by which you can possibly fix it. 1. Eliminate distractions before diving into studying. 2. Begin with just 10 minutes of focused attention. 3. Utilize a timer instead of seeking motivation. Focus isn't natural anymore. You have to train it back. The less you distract yourself, the more powerful your mind becomes. Like, subscribe, hit the bell there to stay ahead. Follow MindHack Student for more psychology and study hacks.